Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and 2023 is just around the corner, so I had to get my Bloom Daily Planner and start getting ready for next year. This is the Green Modern Abstract cover, and I just love it. I think it's so cute. I love that this one has a flexible cover as well as a really pretty spiral rose gold binding here. I'm extremely picky at the design of the inside of my planners, and I love the layout of this one. It has a monthly section, which features a little bit under 2 inches by 2 inch square. But additionally, I love that it has a weekly schedule as well. Each week, it also has a weekly priorities list, which really helps me to focus and write down what I need to put my attention on for that week. Each day has plenty of space, and I love that about this planner. It's lined so everything stays nice and neat and in order, but what I love, and maybe you might not even notice this, is that every single day is the same size. So it's not a smaller section for the weekends, which I really appreciate because a lot of times I need that extra space for the weekends to write my to-do list. What's awesome and unique about the Bloom planners is the motivational pages that are included on the inside. There is so much that you can focus your attention on and really help to motivate and drive yourself for the year to come. I love Bloom planners in general. I love the design, the durability, and the thought that goes into them. And that's my point of view.